To the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I'm gonna be testing out a food container, and we'll be testing it if it fits 30-pound cat food. So this is from Sam's Club. The dispenser is called it's actually not just a pet dispenser, it's also, you could put like store food in it. It's called the BUDDEEZ storage dispenser. So it comes in 2 packs with from Sam's Club, and this is the cat food that I also got from Sam's Club. It's 32-pound bag. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit this. This holds it says here 40 pounds of wood pellets. So let's see. So we live in Pacific Northwest, and food gets stale here really quickly if you don't seal it. So I'm trying to test this out. So the dispenser itself has a very sturdy handle. This is the cover. So the cover has like an opening here. This is mainly probably designed for wood pellets. Pull it up now. So since it's new, it's a little bit hard to pull out. So this is where you're going to dispense the food or pellet. And then this one, it flaps. But actually it can also seal if you push it down tight. It also seals. So that's that.
Favorite brand, Meow Mix.
We got a Meow Mix. Let's pull it out and try to put this here. So I'm not taking it out of the bag because I don't want it to get stale. I'll just put the bag within the canister. Okay, so that was tricky to get in. I had to lie it horizontally so it'll fit in, but I think after I opened it and after the air comes out, this is actually filled with air. I think after that we will be able to cover it. So yes, that's how it looks like. There's still a little bit space in the bottom. See, there's still a little bit of space. So you might have to scoop a little bit of probably 1 or 2 cups, or probably 5 cups of this to be able to fit it. If you get it to go down that like space in there, it's probably gonna fit. So that is our review for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.